Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I mean, this thing has been so sideways at the 78%. Definitely does make you think that it's a wave C and that it could break up and start a bigger move to the upside, maybe even taking out these highs. And I definitely would agree with that analysis, and it definitely could be the correct analysis. The only reason I'm doubting it is because of my US dollar analysis makes me think that the dollar will continue up, which would most likely drive this down and break structure. So that's the only reason why I'm still leaning towards a bearish outlook. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, even though I do have a bearish outlook, I am going to follow whatever the market tells me. And if the market does go up and take out this high right here, that is a break of structure, and that pretty much would confirm wave C on the daily, and then we're back into an uptrend. Because it has not done that, I'm definitely still looking at all these moves up as possibly just a pullback, and possibly at some point, whether this is going to be the point or not, I still think that it's likely going to break down and prove that it's a wave 3 on the higher time frames, and most likely not a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.